Hey there, startups and investors. Today, I want to introduce you to a domain name, officemachines.us. So what's so special about officemachines.us? The US office machine rental and sales market remains robust, with total equipment rental revenues projected to surpass $64.7 billion in 2023. This growth highlights the ongoing demand for office machinery such as printers, copiers, and other essential business equipment. Well, let's break it down. This domain is not just a web address, it's a brand waiting to happen. The .us CCTLD stands for the United States, instantly giving your startup a credible and patriotic edge. Now, imagine the possibilities. Whether you're in tech, office supplies, or even smart office solutions, officemachines.us offers an intuitive and memorable web address that's easy to recall. It's versatile, brandable, and perfect for a variety of industries. Here's why it's a goldmine for startups. In the competitive startup ecosystem, having a domain that speaks directly to your industry can set you apart. officemachines.us does just that, signaling innovation and credibility right from the URL. For investors, this domain is a branding powerhouse. It has the potential to scale across multiple market trends, from traditional office equipment to cutting-edge IoT devices. The broad application means it's a safer bet with higher returns. Let's talk business models. officemachines.us can host an e-commerce platform for office supplies, a SaaS company offering office management tools, a blog or review site for office tech, a B2B marketplace for office solutions, or even a subscription service for office essentials. The target audience here is vast, spanning from small businesses to large corporations. And don't forget the industry-specific meanings. Office machines can represent anything from photocopiers to AI-driven office assistants, making it relevant and flexible. So what are the key advantages? Memorability, versatility, industry relevance, and brandability. officemachines.us ticks all the boxes. Think of the sleek logos, the industry-related visuals, and the abstract representations of modern office solutions that could accompany this domain. The potential is limitless. So, if you're a startup looking to make a mark, or an investor seeking the next big thing, officemachines.us is your answer. Don't miss out on this prime opportunity to elevate your brand and business. Thanks for watching.